1. I dreamt of an emperor so bold and selfish, he stopped the earth from spinning simply to say he could. In the ensuing stillness, crowds watched uneasily, as towering indigo clouds darkened the sky and shadowed the land. Silent borders empower fearful masses. 2. Those who were initially impressed with his power were now frightened and confused. Fear settled over their hearts. They turned on one another in anger, arguing over who had granted the emperor so much power. But it made no difference. It was too late. Chaste disdain mimics imperial oblivion. 3. The emperor's blustering confidence faltered as powerful winds rose up and flattened trees. Towering tsunamis rolled towards the land. Bright lava billowed into the dark sky, and great ravines opened underfoot, all the way to the horizon. This was surely the end. Decadent royalty secrete ultraviolence. 4. In the moments before everything fell apart, the Golden Empress emerged from her barren, wasted court, flying out through angry black smoke into a cadmium red sky.